Hello iPhone SE 2020 users, iOS 26.4.1 is here and installing new updates on an old iPhone can be risky. Some users say it improved your phone, others say their phone becomes slower. Let's update and find out. Like and subscribe to Galaxy Station for real update experience. Alright, iOS 26.4.1 is downloading on my iPhone SE 2020 64 GB version. This is a very small update, and yes, it obviously includes bug fixes and security improvements. So, what's in general new in iOS 26.4.1? It fixes bugs from the previous version. It obviously improves stability. There is some performance tweaks and definitely some security patches. So, again, no new features, just optimization. Let's talk about real users' feedback, especially from older iPhone like SE2. From internet and Reddit discussions, I can say you that some users are saying their phone feels slightly smoother and lesser bugs compared with iOS 26.4. Overall, they are saying that their phones is more stable. In short, it's better than iOS 26.4, but it's still not perfect. But here's the concern for an older device. Your phone might feel slower after the update. App opening time may be increased and your battery is draining faster. So, but after any update, iPhone runs background tasks. So battery drain and heating for 1 or 2 days is very normal. My iOS update will continue and it will take another few minutes. Let's wrap up the video. Uh, so, should you update your iPhone SE 2020 with iOS 26.4.1? Your answer will be yes if you want latest security updates and slight improvements, but you can wait if you want stable performance and better battery life. Because honestly, an older iPhone, this update is a bit risky. If you already updated your iPhone SE, comment your experience below and don't forget to like and subscribe to Galaxy Station.